So Stephanie, how about we go for a wander around Pattaya Beach Road and have a look around?
Oh, well, sure. Let's we do it.
But first I have to make you look perfect. Look at that. Excellento.
Wow. So much. Let's we go.
What actually is Crybaby?
Special event in
Okay.
Pattaya. Let's we have a look.
Certainly unusual. You don't see this in Australia. Something new, I haven't seen this one before. Pattaya sign. Cool. I like this little girl one.
Yeah.
Looks so cute with the yellow hair.
I think it's Sailor Moon.
Oh, it's called Molly, see? There you go. Thank you, no worries. Okay. Have a great day. Here's your buddies here.
Hello. Little buddies.
Little buddies.
Let's play together.
Hey, that copper was looking for you.
Really?
Yeah, I think
I'm
so.
so famous, don't know.
You are. Street vendor selling these goods. that gold bus, baby.
Wow. Incredible. Never seen something like that before.
Yeah. Crossing the road's not so easy, but when you have the police there, it makes it a bit easier. But that's a rarity. Hi. Wonderful. Did a great job. Yeah, big. What do you think of what you've seen so far today, baby? It's something different to what we usually have.
Yeah, it's incredible.
Yeah, that beautiful dog.
It's not like in the Asian countries. It's like in a Western country
Yeah, yeah.
with the palm trees and very clean.
What do you think of this area, baby?
Very fantastic. I definitely return back again.
Sunset over Pattaya Beach.